guys, Patrick over at Refinished Bath Solutions. Over the next couple of weeks, we're going to be launching some new products that will help with your whole bathroom refinishing experience. Also, we have some big news to announce about our current Ekopel products. We will also have our counter material getting released this week. So look forward to seeing some videos on how to recast some countertops like the ones behind me here. Soon we're going to be launching the tile cast. It's not quite ready yet, but soon it will be there. But the next couple of videos we're planning on releasing are going to be strength tests, and they will be water test, strength tests. But we want to do a side-by-side comparison with some of the other products. So comment below if there's a product that you've used in the past or you'd like to see us test out side by side and see if it can match the strength of the Ekopel. We try to make everything nice and simple for our customers, so you can order everything right here from us to do your bathroom countertop, your sink, your tub, anything in the bathroom should, when it's all said and done, be something that you can order right here from us. But we have a few ideas on different products we're going to test, but we would also like to see how you'd like to see us test them. So comment down below and let us know what you think would be a good strength test for the tubs. Any DIY kit, any professional kit, we're open to testing pretty much anything in any way. Though our products are easy to use, some customers just prefer to have a professional that's done hundreds of them before, and we've taken the guesswork out of that for you. We're also going to be releasing some videos that will be refinisher profiles. Those will show before and after videos, before and after pictures, reviews, websites, customer interactions. Hopefully it can make your refinisher experience as smooth as possible. We only work with people with a 5-star rating, and we want to make sure you get the best experience possible in a refinisher. That said, all of our products are also available on Amazon. We have a couple of new demo videos that we've got coming out in the next week or two as well, so stay tuned for those. Finally, we're going to release some new videos showing cleaning, pretty much the full process. We have a new cleaner that we're going to release on Amazon as well. And the new process, we're going to stop using the yellow trowel spreaders. It seems to be a little bit easier in a DIY application to use a mini foam roller. So stay tuned for those as well. And hopefully that'll help enhance the refinishing process. So comment below, let us know what we can do to help. Any questions, comments about the process, how you'd like to see us test products, and what products you'd like to see us test. Also, if you could hit the thumbs up button, that helps us out a bunch, and subscribe to the channel to see all the upcoming videos that we have to release. Our products are available on refinishedbathsolutions.com, and order yours today.